Yes guys, welcome back to another video, and it is your boy Chef Andre Davy. And guess what I found, guys? I found myself some green mango and I'll be using it to make a detox juice for you guys, yeah? So just stick around, and after the intro I'll be showing you guys how to make this amazing drink. Welcome back guys. So right here I have some green mango, I have some watermelon with the skin on, and I have some cucumber, and I have some ginger. So what I'm gonna do guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and add all of this in my blender. And please guys, make sure you wash your fruits, okay? What I'm gonna do now guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and add some water. And I'm just gonna blend. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and strain this drink, okay guys? So if you're looking to lose some weight or some belly fat guys, this is perfect for you, okay guys? So yes guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and use some honey to sweeten, okay guys? Wow, and our drink is ready guys. Okay guys, our drink is ready. And what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and pour it in my glass, okay guys? Wow. Let me go ahead and taste this refreshing drink. Wow guys, this is fantastic. And yes guys, you have made it to the end of another video. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.